All right, real quick, I'm shooting this video because I wanted to go through some of the results, and I actually wanted to so you guys can see what I'm seeing when it comes to calculating the results on the trade. So I'm gonna go through Thursday results. I've already started, but I'm gonna backtrack a little bit so you can see what's been going on in this amazing Signal channel that we have. If you don't have access to the Signal channel, I'm gonna show you why you need to get access to our Signal channel. Not only the Signal channel, but our tools on TradingView as well. So on Thursday, let's go back to Thursday. Notice here we have May 12th, which is Thursday, May 12th, Thursday at 12 a.m. The initial start of Thursday, 12 a.m. The first signal was silver for the golden key. So let's go ahead and pull up silver for the golden key. Notice this sell on silver. Look at this sell on silver on the golden key. Look at this sell on silver. It went straight into profit. Now take profit 3 was probably maybe 100 pips. Look how far it went. We caught over 800 pips on this drop. The sell came in and went straight into profit, 800 pips. So let's go to the next trade. The next trade was GBP NZD, 5 p.m. Eastern. That's our session key. So let's pull up GBP NZD. GBP NZD, let's go to the session key, turn the session key on, turn off the golden key. For GBP NZD, we were in a buy. Notice this buy. It wasn't much. We caught a buy and went to take profit 2. It gave you 80 pips. That's about 80 pips to the upside right there, right? So let's go back to this golden key. For gold, golden key, the next trade was gold. Here it is right here, sell gold, golden key. So let's go ahead and pull up gold. We have the golden key on. Look at that drop on gold, silver and gold, silver and gold for the church folk out there. But this is gold. Look at gold. Look at it go. That was well over, man, just from the sell itself. The first day you caught 400 pips. If you had kept holding it, it's well over 480 pips on gold. So when you're seeing these results, and people are like, how true is it? I want so you guys can see how true these pip counts are. Yesterday on Wednesday, we caught over 2,200 pips. We're gonna see how much we caught on a Thursday, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do Friday off camera. I'm not gonna hold you guys too long in this video. I just wanted to show you how I'm allocating these pips based off of this trade. So that's gold, 470 pips off of the pull. Now you may only, if you only use take profit 3, you probably only caught 100 to 150 if you just set it and forget it. But if you're holding this trade, the most that you could have caught was 470 pips on gold. GBP AUD is next. GBP AUD from the session key. Let's pull up GBP AUD. And we caught a buy on GBP AUD. Look at this buy. Came back to the zone. Gave you 80 pips to the upside. Next trade is USD JPY. Let's pull up the session key. USD JPY. It gave us a sell. Look at this sell on UJ. I missed this sell. Lord have mercy. Missed this sell on UJ. Look, 230 for the Forex traders out there. You might not like gold. You might not like silver. It might be a little too volatile. You might just getting your feet wet when it comes to trading, and all you know is Forex. The session key is for you. It will help you on all Forex pairs. That's up to 230 pips on UJ, session key. And I do this every day just to keep a count on our stats on a day-to-day basis. We've been doing this for over a year. We have not had a losing week for over a year. Honestly, I don't think we've had a losing day. Now, we lose trades. We lose trades. I think earlier this week, hold on real quick. I'm not going to hold you guys. Like I said, earlier this week, we lost. What day was this? This was Tuesday. On Tuesday, we lost 10 trades. This was probably the worst day, as from me allocating these results. This was the worst day that we've had all year long, was this Tuesday. This Tuesday. It was a bad week. I guess it was a bad week for us. I don't know. We lost 10 trades out of 18. We won 8 of them. We still earned over 920 pips. So even if you was following the signals and you took more losses that day, you still ended up in profit at the most over 900 pips in profit. That was a losing day, but we don't have losing days. Even though this may be considered a losing day because we lost more than we won, we still are up 920 pips. There has not been one day for over a year and a half to where we were negative anything when it comes to the pip count. We may have more losses. Honestly, this is the only day that I've known in over a year where we have more losses than wins, but we still are up when it comes to the profit. We have not had a losing day when it comes to profiting utilizing these tools. But let's keep on going. Let's keep going. Not gonna hold you guys too long. I got my babies, they upstairs crying. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can finish this out real quick. Now, I don't know how many trades we took on a Thursday, but we're gonna find out. So next trade is Euro USD. Let's pull up Euro USD. Euro USD was a sale. Look at that sale. I missed that sale too. It's all good. Look at that sale. Over 130 pips on Euro USD. Over 130 pips. I'm telling you, this tool, and it comes, as you can see, when it gives you the buy, this buy hit take profit one, came back. It says it hit the stop loss. It didn't hit the stop loss. This is just saying that the buy naturally came down and hit the stop loss parameters. But as you can see, it did hit take profit one of 25 pips. You caught your 25 pips off of this small buy here. But as you can see, it gives you your entry, take profit 1, 2, and 3, and it gives you your stop loss. So when you're using the tools, we have the automated alert system set in. So it's either that's where the alert came from. This Euro USD alert came from the system. When it tells us to buy and it gave us the entry, it sends the alert to the Telegram group. That way you can still catch the trade. So even if you're not in front of your computer or if you're not in front of Trading View, you still get the alert in the Trading View. In the Telegram, you're still going to get the alert. Now you can set up your own alerts. That way you can get it on your app. You can get the notification on your phone. That way you can get it yourself. But even if not, we've already done that for you so you can get it in the Telegram. So when you get access, notice here, we got a couple of different groups. Our team in Real Rise, we connected the groups to Real Rise. So we have a number of channels. We have our main channel, which is outside of any platform. If you want to just get access to the tools and the signals, we have our Winner Circle Effect Signals paid members group. We got the people that join us within Real Rise. They're getting the signals as well. So that's why it says WCFX Real Rise Signals. So the signals are the same signals. It doesn't matter what group you're in, but if you wanted to just pay for the signals itself, you can do that. If you want to get access to the money app, the training, and the extra tools that they have in Real Rise, you can take that route as well. But the signals are the same. So let's go to the next one. The next one is, and then again, here's the alerts. It's telling you that the take profit one is hit on US 30. Look at all these take profits, take profit, take profit, Euro JPY, take profit, take profit. All of these take profits hit. There's not one alert that said a stop loss is hit. This is all take profits. Look at it, all take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, take, Lord have mercy, we live. This is the illest Telegram channel that you guys are going to get your hands on, I'm telling you. And it's not no comparison or competition to any other traders out there. Shout out to my traders out there. But we have an amazing signal channel. So if you're losing, if you're trying to get funded and you're looking for a way to take the pressure off the shoulders, all you have to do is follow these trades. Next trade is sell Euro NZD. Euro NZD, let's pull it up. Sell of Euro NZD. This sell here came in about 10 a.m. This is this sell here. Notice the buy gave you your... Notice the buy gave you take profit 2. Within the same 24-hour period, your sell near take profit 3. If you held it a little bit more, it would have gave you take profit 3. That is your 80 pips right there. The sell gave you about 70 pips. So Euro NZD was a win. Give you about 70 pips or more to the upside. That was a win for the session key. Shout out to the session key. We have some amazing tools and a perfect entry trading system. Next trade is Wednesday's results. 21 trades, 15 wins, 6 losses. That's a 71% win ratio, 2,200 pips. Next trade is your oil from the entry optimizer. Let's see how well this trade did. US oil, US oil, where are you? There you go, US oil. Entry, it was a buy. Entry optimizer, let's pull it up. Entry optimizer. Caught the buy on the entry optimizer win at 8 p.m. This must be on a lower time frame. Let's see. There we go. That looks more like it. There we go. Here we go. So there's the buy. Let's get rid of the session key real quick. Your buy here is at take profit 1. So your entry You're up 40 pips on oil. Shout out to the entry optimizer. 40 pips. So far, so good. No losses yet. Knock on wood. Next trade is GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Now notice we can utilize a session key on any. So we have tools you can on any asset. I don't care if it's Forex. I don't care if it's your metals. I don't care if it's your indices. I don't care if it's crypto. I don't care if it's futures. Shout out to my futures traders out there. That's a whole nother video. I don't care if it's bonds. I don't care if it's stocks. These tools, these three tools, whether it's the session key, golden key, or the entry optimizer, you are able to trade any asset in the market. Shout out to the perfect entry trading system. Next tool we have is GBP AUD. So let's go up to the GBP AUD. Let's turn out the entry optimizer. And it is a sale. So let's go ahead and pull up the session key and for the sale. And this is at 8 p.m. right here, straight into profit. Hope you guys are seeing this and seeing this with your third eye. And realize 130 pips. This is GBP AUD, 130 pips. So far, so good. Still no losses. Shout out to the session key for that one. Next trade. Now we're going to go until we hit 12 a.m. midnight. GBP AUD, Euro JPY at 9 p.m. We got 3 more trades. Euro JPY for the buy. Look at that buy. Look at that buy. Straight in profit. I mean, straight into profits. 80 pips within a couple of hours. Euro JPY, 80 pips. Next one, GJ. GJ, look at that buy. Whew. Look at that buy. Straight into profit. No pullback whatsoever. I mean, come on, you can't get no better than that. If you had held it, it's 150 pips. 150 pips on GJ. 150 pips. Shout out to the session key once again. And the crazy thing is, we don't even have this turned on all pairs. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just go for the gusto. We're gonna turn it on all pairs. Some of these pairs I don't even like to trade, like CAD, CHF, CAD, JPY. We don't have the alerts in all AUD, CHF. We don't have it turned on all of the pairs. We have it on the main pairs: the Euro USD, Euro CAD, NZD, AUD. These main pairs. I don't even think we got Euro GBP in there. The main pairs. We don't have AUDs or the NZDs or the CADs even turned on. Let me go ahead and just pull up one just so we can see. AUD CHF. Session key. We might have to change the parameters. Gave you the buy, hit the take profit. Let's go to see what NZD USD is doing. Buy, hit the take profit. Look at the sell, take profit. We haven't turned it on all the pairs yet. It's only maybe 5, maybe 10 pairs at the most. There's way more assets to trade from when it comes to the Forex. We haven't even turned on the full potential of the session key yet. And we're already crossing over 10,000 pips a week. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for the week. Next week, I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it on, go for the full gusto. But that's next week. We're gonna do that next week. So the next trade is what? We got GBP NZD. GBP NZD sale. Look how choppy it is. He still gave you your 80 pips to take profit through. GBP NZD. And that's the reason why I don't trade it on all pairs. Because I know some pairs can just be choppy. Just be choppy. You know, I don't know. I want it to where if it gives you the sale, look at the sale. The sale went straight to take profit 1 within an hour. This is a 15-minute chart. Let's go to an hour chart. Within an hour, you got to take profit 1. And zoom in a little bit. It looks choppy. It looks very choppy. But that's still GBP NZD. We still got our 80. What is that? Let's measure that out. From your entry, 40 pips. 40 plus pips. So far, so good still. Next, we're at 9 o'clock. We're nearing 12 o'clock. Let's see where we're at. We're at 12 a.m. So that's it. That's it for the day. That's it. That's Thursday's results, right? So all we do is calculate. How many trades? Total trades. Total trades is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. Total wins. Let's see. All of them are wins. That's 12 wins. That's a wonderful day, man. 12 total losses. How many losses is that? Let's count them. Where are they? I don't see none. There's 0 losses. Win ratio. That's easy. 100%. Awesome day. That'll cover for that 44% day on Tuesday, right? That'll balance it out a little bit. Total pip count. Let's count it up real quick. 880. That's 880. That's 12, 1350, 1430, 1660, 1660, 1790, 1860, 1900, 1000, 1900. So yes, 1030, 1110, 1260, 1000. I'm sorry. I don't lost count. That's 2003. I lost count. Now, I tried to do it in my head. It's best to use a calculator, but I'm pretty good at math. So let's do it again. 880, 50, 1350, 1430, 1660, 1790, 1860, 1900, 1900 as 2030. There we go. 2030, 2110, 2260, 2300 pips. I knew I had it right. 2300 pips. 2300 pips. No losses on a Thursday, utilizing the tools that we have available, utilizing the signals that we have in our group. If you are not consistently profiting and you're watching this video, I don't know what else to show you. I don't know what else to tell you. We've lowered the price. We've had discounts. We've done promos. We've done everything that we can to help you guys get involved or at least get connected to these tools. Because I'm guaranteeing you, if you utilize proper risk management and you're consistently using these tools, you will not need anything else under the sun, unless you just want extra confirmation or unless you just want to enhance your tool system. But the session key tool, golden key tool, the entry optimizer tool is going to give you everything you need in order for you to succeed when it comes to trading. If you're not trading on a funded account, I highly suggest that you do so. If you are not aware of a funded account, a lot of us have been taught that you invest your own money and your money can make money for you, which is true. But why invest your own money? The thing about investing your own money, and I knew this just for personal reason, when you invest your own money, you have pressure on your shoulders because it's your money. Nobody wants to lose their own money. So when you're putting $100 or $1,000 in an account and it's your own money, and then you start losing your own money, you're going to start revenge trading. You're going to start second guessing yourself. I know it for a fact because I know I did it myself, and I'm quite sure you've probably done it as well if you've been trading for quite some time, because it's the pressure, it's the mental part, it's the mental aspect, the emotions. When it comes to being a successful trader, you have to take away your emotions. But if you're mentally connected to the money that you've invested in, you're going to get emotional because you're losing your own money. So the goal is to get a funded account. And the one thing that it's going to do for you, it is going to give you, it's going to take away that mental blockage of you trading your own money because it's no longer your money. You don't have to trade your own money. You can get a prop firm funded account of $10,000, $25,000, $100,000, $200,000 in live money that you manage, and you get a certain percentage, whether it's 70% to 90%, you get a percentage of it. But the thing about it, it's not your money. So that mental blockage will not add the pressure on your shoulders if you start losing a little bit, or if you start to go into a little bit of drawdown, the pressure is no longer on your shoulders. I am quite sure if you're a seasoned trader or if you've been trading for some time, you will ask yourself, like, why do I do very good in demo? I do great and you'll do great in demo. You'll kill it in a demo account. But then when you start trading your live money, for some reason, it don't go the same way. That is the mental blockage of trading your own money, and you're emotionally attached to it because it's your money. So to disattach yourself from the mental blockage and the emotions of trading, the best thing to do is get you a funded account. And the great thing about that, I'm quite sure that a lot of us don't have $100,000 to put into an account to trade live. Even if you did, you'll be sweating bullets. If you was to lose $10,000 in a day, you'll sweat, or you'll start revenge trading because you feel like you have to get your money back. You don't have to invest $100,000. You can put up a couple $100, pass the funded challenge, get a live account of $100,000 and earn 20%. Look at this. That's a 100% win ratio on your trading on a Thursday. You could have made maybe 10% on that $100,000 account. 10% on that $100,000 account, which means you'd have made 10 grand Thursday. $10,000 on a Thursday because you're trading on a $100,000 account. So ask yourself, which is better? You investing your own money and having a blockage and the extra pressure on your shoulders, which is going to leave you emotional when you start losing, or getting a funded account of $100,000, taking away the blockage mentally, you're no longer emotionally attached to it, and you can simply trade with no added pressure on your shoulders, utilizing our tools and our signals to earn 20% on a monthly basis. You can earn 20% on a weekly basis. I'm saying this humbly, but just for the average traders out there, let's say you earn 20% on a monthly basis on a $100,000 account, that's $20,000 profit. Now you may pull back out of your 80%, you may pull out maybe $16,000 profit on a monthly basis off of a $100,000 account that's not even yours. $16,000 trading with ease because you're utilizing tools that work. I'm not showing you this. Now you can go through my timeline, you can ask for results. We've been sharing results for over a year now. There has not been a losing week. There has not even been a losing day. You want to see a losing day? This is a losing day right here, Tuesday. This is probably the worst day we've had all year because we lost more trades than we won. It was 18 trades. We won 8, we lost 10, but we still 1,000 pips. So that is a losing day in the signals group. And I'm saying that with confidence. I'm saying that because I've been taking these results every single day. Of course, I'm the owner of the channel, so I should know. But if you ask anybody that's in the group, these signals are the best signals you will probably get your hands on for the price point that it is. You can get yearly access if you want to for a huge discount right now. These prices, honestly, are going up in summertime. Hot girl, hot boy summer is going to be hot prices in the pets. Hot prices. Inflation is going on right now. Chicken is going up. Gas is going up. The price of this pets entry, perfect entry trading system is going up as well because the value is that much value. We can charge whatever we want, but we don't want to do that because we know that everybody can afford $1,000 a month. If we're getting you funded and we're showing you how to get a $100,000 account and people that are in a group that are earning $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 utilizing the training, the tools, and the signals, we can out of that $10,000, we can charge you $1,000 a month. And people will pay it happily. But we're not doing that. We're not going to do that. I was just saying that to show you the value that is truly within this system and the value that you're going to get if you decide to plug in to the system. If you're struggling and you keep struggling, that is your fault. And I'm saying that bluntly, and I don't want to hurt nobody's feelings, but if you're struggling and you're seeing the tools, you're seeing the resources, and you may have been burned, you may have been scarred. You'll be like, oh, I've heard this before, all of these other platforms. I understand. I've been in many of them myself. All of these other platforms, I've been in them, from IML all the way up to even now, Real Rise. Shout out to Real Rise. I love the platform. Nothing against no platform. I'm not taking nothing away from no platform. But what I'm telling you is the people didn't start getting the results until they started using our tools. People are signing up for these platforms just to get access to our tools. So it don't matter what platform you in, don't care the advanced level of trading that you're in. If you see these results and you're not getting these results, I suggest you just plug in. It's simple as that. Plug in so that you can take the weight off your shoulders. We're going to give you every single asset. We're going to give you every single pair if we decide to. like I said, I didn't turn on the session key on every single pair because it's just going to overthrow the chat. You see the chat? Look at the chat. The alert system. And a shout out to the people that's already in the group. I'm quite sure these alerts will go off all through the night. Like, look at these alerts. These alerts is coming in all through the night. So when you get these alerts, it's ding, 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 ding. You'll probably get tired of hearing it. That's why I didn't want to turn on all of the pairs, because you're going to get all the lists. Look at it. This is 9 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 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 a.m. So at 10 a.m., you heard ding, 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 all through the night, all through the day, because of the signals channel. I didn't want to turn it up to the point to where your phone starts to catch fire, even though we already on fire in the signals group. We don't want your phone to get burnt out and the battery to go low just because of alerts, right? So shout out to the team out there. But we got more than you need in the signal channel. We have more than you need. Who takes, it was a day, I think it was last week. We sent out 36 trades in one day. Who takes 36 trades in one day? And it's 36 different pairs, different assets. We might have caught maybe 2 or 3 of the same. We might have caught 2 different trades on Bitcoin or 2 different trades on S&P, but it was 36 trades in a day. Who takes 36 trades in a day? I can't even take 36 trades in a day, and I own the system. So we don't want to overflow. It'll be too much for you to even catch up, right? So if you are losing in your trading account, or if you're inconsistent in your trading account, again, we are as consistent as can be. Every single day, we are allocating these trades. Every single week, we're allocating these trades. And you can see the results on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month basis. We have not had a losing month in over a year and a half. We have not had a losing week. We have not had a losing day in over a year and a half. So if you're seeing this video and you're still hearing the sound of my voice, hopefully you're making the wise decision to get plugged in, because right now you can get it at a discount rate of $150 a month, or you can pay $1,000 and you'll get access for the entire year. And I'm not talking about this year. I'm talking about a 365-day period. So if you decide today is the 13th of May, if you decide to pay $1,000, you're going to get access to the signals and the session and the Pets Perfect Entry trading system for an entire year until May 13th of next year for $1,000. Honestly, we can charge $1,000 just for the signals access by itself. We can charge $1,000 just for the session key by itself. We can charge $1,000 for the golden key by itself. That's a $3,000 value for $1,000. So I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. Hopefully you had an amazing week. As you can see, this is only Thursday's results. I'm gonna go ahead and go through Friday's results outside of this video. I'm gonna share with you the week results. Thursday, 2,300 pips. Yesterday, Wednesday, 2,200 pips. Tuesday, 900 pips. Monday, 730 pips. Sunday, 1,200 pips, right? So we're well over 5,000 pips for the week. Last week, we went over 16,000 pips. So if you like what you see, get in contact with me so we can get you connected. Have an amazing weekend. I'll see you guys next